Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another brow tutorial. So if you want to know how I got these ratchet brows to look like something like this, then keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell before you head out. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, so let's get started, guys. Right here, I laid out all of the stuff that I use to do my brows, and let's just go over some of the things that I use one by one. So if you guys are interested in purchasing them, everything will be down in the description box down below. This right here is the pencil I use to fill in my brows. This is from Morphe and I bought this for $5. Guys, this is the cheapest pencil right now in the market. Get it. It's good. Then I'm going to take my flat detail brush from Morphe. This is the M432. I use that to carve my brows. This concealer I use worn this way in the color Warm Sand to help, carve it out. And I also use my foundation that I'm currently using. There's a review on this foundation. I'll leave it down below if you want to check it out. Also to carve out my brows. To blend everything out, I'm using this brush right here. This is the M173. Just to blend everything out once I'm done. And I have my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Gel in the color Dark Burnette just to finish everything off to make my brows look super natural. And that's it, guys. Taking my Morphe brush, I am going to start lining my brow from the middle to the tail of my brow, and then I'm going to go all the way towards the front and then connect it towards the middle to the tail. And I'm going to do the same thing for the top, starting from the middle to the tail and then eventually towards the front, and I'm going to connect everything together. Then I'm going to start filling in my brows. Any holes that I see, I'm filling it in very lightly. I like my brows to be as natural as possible, so as lightly as possible, I'm filling it in. Just like so. Now I'm taking my spoolie and just blending all the harshness if there is any, and then going back in with the pencil just to perfect anything or add anything, or just fill out anything if I feel that there needs to be anything to fill. Now you notice that the front of my brows has no product, so this is the part where I want my brows to look the most natural. So I'm using a flicker motion. I'm flicking the product or my pencil upwards to mimic hair-like strokes, and that's what I'm doing. And I'm taking the spoolie to blend it out even more. Now with a flat detailed brush, I'm going to carve out my brows starting from my tail of the brow towards the middle, and then finally I'm going to carve towards the front. What I like about this flat detailed brush is that it's so flat that you can really get in there when carving out your brows, and it's big enough for you to blend out the concealer. And I'm blending the concealer downwards because I noticed that if you do a back and forth motion, it's gonna leave streak marks. So that's the reason why I am blending the concealer downwards. So this is how your brows is supposed to look like at this moment. And right now I'm currently happy with the shape and how it's looking like so far. So with a big buffing brush, I'm just blending everything out and down towards my lid area to give it a nice smooth canvas. Now with a foundation, I am just carving out the top parts of my brows, starting from the front, middle to the tail. As you can see, I am gliding right through. This is the most easiest part for me. And then I'm just gonna blend the foundation with my flat detail brush. Whatever excess product that I have, I'm going to shape up the front of my brows. You don't want a unibrow. And then I'm taking my big buffing brush and blending it out, giving a nice smooth canvas. Like I said, you don't want any streak marks whatsoever in your face or around your brows. So with a spoolie, I am brushing my hair up. I notice when you have sparse brows, if you brush your hair up, it will look more natural and it's gonna give you like this fluffy effect. And I love my brows when it's fluffy. It makes it look natural. Now I'm going back in with the pencil. This part is optional, but I'm a perfectionist and I just wanna, fix up my brows a little bit. If I feel like I need a little bit more product, that's when I do so. If I see any holes that need to be filled, that's when I will do that. Now with the L'Oreal Brow Gel, I am going to be setting my brows and I'm applying the spoolie of the gel upward like I did with the spoolie in the beginning. I like when you apply the gel upwards, it's mimicking a fluffy brow and it makes it seem that your brows are full. So that's the reason why I'm doing that. Now I'm just cleaning up any mistakes that I did with the gel, if any. And that's how your brows supposed to look like. And that's it, guys. I am done. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned from this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in a few days with another video. Bye, guys.